Is your IT department a money pit? It might feel that way, but often the real problem isn't the cost of technology itself, but how it's managed. Many businesses are unknowingly making critical mistakes in their IT operations management, or ITOM, that cost them millions in wasted resources, downtime, and lost opportunities. But the good news is, these mistakes are entirely avoidable. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 most costly ITOM mistakes, and more importantly, how you can steer clear of them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to transform your IT operations from a cost center into a powerhouse of efficiency and innovation. So if you're ready to stop the financial drain and unlock the true potential of your IT, you're in the right place. Let us start with a foundational mistake that shapes everything else: treating IT as just a cost center. When you see IT as merely an expense to be minimized, you're guaranteed to underinvest. This isn't just about buying cheaper hardware. It's about crippling your ability to innovate and compete. A cost center mindset leads to outdated systems, overworked staff, and a purely reactive approach. Instead, successful companies view IT as a strategic driver of growth. It's the engine for digital transformation and enhancing customer experiences. Think of an investment not as a cost, but as a direct contribution to your business strategy and bottom line. Next up, a mistake that's like trying to navigate a city without a map: neglecting asset management. Do you know exactly what hardware and software you own, where it is, who's using it, and if it's being used effectively? If not, you're likely wasting a fortune. Poor asset management leads to buying unnecessary licenses, underutilizing expensive equipment, and failing audits. It's a huge compliance and security risk. Implementing a robust asset management system isn't just about tidying up. It's about maximizing the life cycle and return on every single IT investment you make. You wouldn't let cash just lie around unaccounted for, so why do it with your tech assets? The third costly error is ignoring the goldmine you're already sitting on: data. Your IT systems generate a massive amount of data every second. Ignoring these data-driven insights is like flying blind in a storm. Without analytics, you can't spot trends, proactively prevent issues, or find opportunities for automation. You're stuck in a reactive loop, constantly fighting fires instead of preventing them. By setting up key performance indicators and regularly reviewing performance data, you can fine-tune your processes, predict problems before they impact users, and ensure your ITOM strategy is delivering real, measurable business value. Mistake number 4 is a killer in today's fast-paced world: failing to adapt to change. The tech landscape is constantly evolving, and if your IT operations are stuck in the "this is how we've always done it" mindset, you're falling behind. Resisting change means missing out on new automation capabilities, more efficient workflows, and better security tools. This isn't just about stagnation. It actively increases your operational risk. You need to foster a culture of continuous improvement where your IT teams are empowered to test new ideas, identify inefficiencies, and constantly refine their processes to meet changing business demands. Adapt or get left behind. This brings us to a huge one: overlooking compliance and security. In an era of sophisticated cyber threats and strict data privacy regulations, treating security and compliance as an afterthought is a recipe for disaster. A single breach or compliance failure can lead to catastrophic financial penalties, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust. Security can't be a separate silo. It must be woven into the fabric of your ITOM practices. This means integrated vulnerability scanning, continuous compliance monitoring, and automated threat detection. Proactive security isn't just a good idea, it's essential for survival. Mistake number 6 is insidious and can undermine all your other efforts: inadequate collaboration. When your IT teams and data are stuck in silos, you get a fragmented, incomplete picture of your operations. The network team doesn't talk to the security team, which doesn't talk to the development team. This leads to duplicated work, missed vulnerabilities, and slow, clumsy responses to incidents. You can't solve complex problems with a fractured approach. Breaking down these silos requires fostering cross-team communication and using integrated tools that provide a single, unified view of your entire IT landscape. Collaboration is key to a holistic and effective ITOM strategy. And finally, the 7th costly mistake: resistance to training and skill development. You can have the best tools and processes in the world, but they're useless without skilled people to run them. The technology world moves incredibly fast, and if you're not investing in your people, their skills will become obsolete. Resisting investment in training means your team won't be equipped to handle new challenges, implement new technologies, or adapt to new threats. This isn't an expense. It's an investment in your organization's agility and resilience. A well-trained team is your best defense against inefficiency and your greatest asset in driving innovation. So how do we pull this all together and build a better path forward? The solution starts with creating a culture that sees IT as a strategic partner. This requires a shift in mindset from the top down. Next, get serious about visibility. You can't manage what you can't see. Invest in tools that give you a comprehensive real-time view of your entire IT environment, breaking down those data and team silos we talked about. Then streamline your processes. Implement a structured change management plan to minimize disruption and risk when you introduce new technologies. Use automation to handle repetitive tasks, which frees up your talented team to focus on high-value strategic work and dramatically reduces human error. And critically, foster a learning culture. This means investing in comprehensive training programs to keep your team's skills sharp. It also means creating a safe environment where mistakes are treated as learning opportunities, not reasons for blame. When people feel safe to report issues, you uncover systemic problems faster and can fix them before they become catastrophes. By avoiding these 7 common pitfalls and embracing a strategic, data-driven, and collaborative approach to ITOM, you can stop the financial leaks. You'll reduce costs, improve service delivery, strengthen your security posture, and, most importantly, turn your IT department into a powerful engine for business growth and innovation. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these insights help you optimize your IT operations and drive your business forward. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We'd love to hear from you in the comments which of these mistakes resonated with you the most. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.